Hello everybody, this is Dr. Meenakshi, your sports physio. Today I'm going to show you some exercises and stretches for your low back pain. I'm making it clear this is for the general back pain. Okay, like you have soreness in your back, aching back, you got some muscle pulled, or you have some pain in your lower region of your back. This is not for some specific diagnosis. This is for the general low back pain. Okay, let's catch up the exercises. Okay, the first exercise is pelvic tilting. See, you feel a space here, so you can put your hands here like this, and you do. See, you are contracting your lower back muscles and you are putting pressure on your hands, and relax. Can you see? I am tilting my pelvis. Fine. And I am contracting the core muscles here. And relax. Come on. Like this. And relax. So this is the pelvic tilting. Now the second exercise is bridging exercise. Bridging exercise, what you need to do, make your foot apart as your width of your hip, and then slowly raise it up. Okay, make it a straight line. See, your ankle is like just perpendicular to your knee, and then your knee joint, your hip and your shoulder should be in a straight line. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds and come back. Okay, up and then hold and then come back. With progression, you can go for one leg bridging like this, and up and hold and then come back, up, hold and then come back. Fine. Okay, now the next is trunk rotation. See, put your hands like this, or you can put your hands like this, and then make sure your upper body is properly lined up, and then come back to other side. Relax, relax, and come back. This is trunk rotation. You will feel a stretch, and it is very, comfortable like this. Okay? Fine. Now the next exercise is, you can say it a cobra pose or upward dog. Like this, you can do this. Okay? Uphold it, hold it for like 5 seconds, and then go back down. You can do it like this, full up, and then come back. You can accompany this with then downward dog. So up, 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 put your heel like this and hold this position. This is downward dog, okay? So go like this and then up, up and like this. Make sure your heel should be on the mat, okay? Now with this, next exercise is prayer stretch. So sit like this and slowly go down and relax. Fine. Keep on your breathing. Relax yourself. And come up. Okay. The next exercise is knee hug. So first we will start with single leg. Hold it here and then stretch toward yourself and hold it. You can also do like this, but if you have some knee problem, then it shouldn't be for you. So do it like this, okay? Single leg and then alternate leg, and then with both legs you can do the knee hug like this. Fine. Relax. Keep on breathing, relax. Very good. Okay. The next exercise is half Superman exercise. How are you going to perform that? Sit like this. One hand, like if it's my left, then I will raise my right side. So diagonally. You need to do like this. Okay. Hold it. Then come back. Go for alternate one. You can put your hand on your back or on the side and up. Then down. You can do with progression, like both hands and legs. Very good. And slowly down. You can start with 3 sets with 10 repetitions. Now the last exercise is cat and cow exercise. For this you need to come in this quadruped position. Make sure that your hips apart length should be your knees, and like this, and then you just need to curve your back and look up. Curve it, curve it. Good. Then tuck in your knee. Good. And again. Okay. You can feel the stretch and the contraction. Contract, contract, contract. Try to pull up and relax. Okay, so these are the exercises and stretches for your specific, not for specific, for your journal back pain. We will come with the specific exercise in our next videos. Till then, see ya.